In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use eSignatures for client onboarding documents, making it fast, secure, and paperless. If you're still manually getting signatures or dealing with messy paperwork, this video will save you time and hassle. First, let's talk about the key benefits of using eSignatures. They're legally binding, they speed up your client onboarding process, and they help you keep everything digital and organized. But how do you actually use them? Here's the quick process. We'll be using this software to demonstrate, and I'll give you a special free trial for it in the description below. You'll want to stick around for that, especially if you want to follow along with the tutorial. Step 1. Upload your client onboarding documents into the software. Whether it's a contract, an agreement, or a form, the process is simple. Just drag and drop your file into the software. Once it's uploaded, you can start adding signature fields where you need your client to sign. Step 2. Add the e-signature field. This software allows you to place a signature field exactly where you want it on the document. You can also add other fields like date, initials, or checkboxes, depending on your needs. This customization is key for ensuring the document looks just like it would on paper, but in a digital format. Step 3. Send it to your client. Once everything is set up, you can email the document directly from the software. Your client will receive an email with a link to sign. The software we're using tracks everything, so you can see when your client opens and signs the document. No more waiting around or chasing down signatures. Step 4. Get notified when the document is signed. The software will notify you once the document has been completed, and you can download the signed copy for your records. This eliminates the need for printing, scanning, and storing physical documents. And that's it. You've successfully used eSignatures for client onboarding documents. The best part? It's secure, fast, and environmentally friendly. No more wasted time or paper. Before we wrap up, here's a key takeaway. Using eSignatures for client onboarding documents is one of the easiest ways to streamline your workflow, stay organized, and keep things secure. It's time to stop dealing with paper and start using a more efficient method that works for you and your clients. To make sure you get started with this software, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Quick revision. Upload your document, add signature fields, send it to your client, and get notified when it's signed. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out that free trial in the description.